sometimes you need to take the fiction away from the non-fiction. Now where you facts, a free hype, maybe sour out away. Reece James, what was his best season?
James,
no, calm down. Academic exercise.
You're real near the Bia.
I told the Biobo. And yet the Bia, I know, I told the Biobo. But I would want to know what his best season was.
Over there. I would say Chelsea first,
Chelsea first there.
The Lampard be ye Jumana, I babe twice the Omoje Champions League to kill the Omoje. And one I mean who said I may have up for your corner at the time I hear any be out in chain.
Great. Now, last season now Chelsea J Champions League. No? Was he one of the best performers in the team?
Say top players. No,
calm down. Calm down.
Be first 5 you with me abam.
Has there been a season where Reece James I say outstanding wise, both defensive and offensive contributions for a fullback, like he's giving peak numbers?
That be, and never sure.
Premier League standard ni frame for me, a fullback standard no for fullbacks for attack. Ashley Cole.
Yeah.
Most who are bored with our standard and I even half in a season.
That we undo baby.
Good. All right. Good. Good. So you see, sir, unnecessary Trent Reece James comparison, right? Am I the unnecessary pressure to play a fin or developers? Where is James at his most consistent season in recent times? The Obo or Wigan?
Yes.
No, sir. So the say and answer pro when you give him the opportunity. Okay, say okay, Reece James, your man the time now on developing according to his body. Like what best baby.
David.
Let's stay off this theatrics or you nipa yakra footballers or peak performance age according to Nipa mini deal with football. Between 25 and 30. Reece James were saying.
Oh, James will form Kakao.
So what's the
form
pressure?
Kakao around 23, 24, 25.
What is the pressure?
Or more money pressure?
No, because some of the things you'd expect from him, right? Look, has there been a season where Wama, Trent Mo, Coleman, more offensive numbers? Maybe I'm sorry. I'm on left back now. Free Wigan call Everton.
They.
No, she must come and do for Ireland nearby. Now no more left back be no so Boma England.
Leighton Baines.
One man offensive numbers nibi.
Dabi. If you have to for the
homo. No, come on.
Baines move on the bishop.
Pacho nyabuche.
Leighton Baines move on the bishop is no way so do near about you go hard drink
nyabuche. See, you guys would have to be gentle with him.
Around 23 years.
So I didn't think there was a man pressure. The body in Africa and Jamaica develop here be seen. If Otimi freeze way man between 26, 25 and 30. Look, he can do anything. The skill set no one. He can do anything. So what is the pressure? Huh? Nancy Anna, Liverpool fullbacks no. Omutimi Baines. Need the no I'm say in a season now or Wama
SOMPA Sports
a particular number of assists and a Robertson. Look, so where is the pressure? Ashley Cole. Only first time I mean whom me count now best first time I met Ashley Cole say I'm a Kaiser Ashley Cole and I'm on was in 99 Nigeria 99 under 20 no. Ashley Cole obo as a striker of my England.
Oh, okay. No, obo as a striker. Emma England. Anuntia. All that you go on in penalty bopa.
Look,
Oba ni muswa. Obesa crab shows is here.
So where is the pressure for a team that had Ashley Cole? Where is the pressure? And if you don't know what you have until it's gone, not the Aspliqueta at all. I agree because the context of that post from that Chelsea fan about durability.
Yes.
But Aspliqueta was a very good defender.
SOMPA Sports.
And occasionally you get you a good cross. but he wasn't an exceptional player. Internally and externally, Michael Muma crowd with pressure in this one of the man. And it comes at a cost. Allow him to develop. Kwaku, I'm saying there are Liverpool coaches no, and the fans in the protected Trent. No.
Yeah.
Do they provide him that? About it, so friend the captain clinical said, yeah.
Or just the Omomu's Reece James in the
No, he's
England
not.
on the right back gear.
No, he's not. He's not. I don't have a problem with that.
I was on the Bob Butcher right back.
He's never had a consistent year in the Premier League. I don't navigate I'm not money ball nebo. But yeah, Bobo not to hospital. Abu Dhabi is not the best example for me.
SOMPA Sports.
The best example na Kremo Abachiron. Or Reece. Okay, look. Munim Karen Dyer.
Dyer, former Newcastle United.
Like unya daji.
Nah, me hear Dyer pa. We are daji here. Dyer.
Emre na sona. Bonio. Okay, allow these people. Alberto Aquilani.
Liverpool didn't say Casio.
Fanny Roma days, no.
Roma days, no.
Some Bobo no man. He's exceptional. Hargreaves could have gone to the very top. Look, Ledley King.
Tottenham.
Okay, Empire Neighbor said he does not become a crock. I've been watching videos where no more Yugabina he is failing at it and all that. I'm just hoping that you won't give him the pressure, especially with the captaincy issue.
SOMPA Sports.
Now the body need to be developed. It will come naturally. Two things. Either Reece James would come out of that with therapy, any diet, any new maybe, or he'll become a crock. There isn't a middle line. To mean a crock means Oboka Kranu a Pranoko. Oboka Kranu a Pranoko.
Marco Royce man
Exactly. And I say he would come out. Bon say maybe a therapy be. I feel no problem. Give him the chance.
He did chance a website you have quality to
good, but
about Nena we are younger. Sometimes the play we be back.
Make I say like my fat Trent and my fan the protection. Like I told you the other day, there isn't any argument that would say there is a fullback who offers more going forward than him. Se men cross the ball, no. Se men create man, Baki, he's protected. Now no ya bobo akra ne pra. All nothing now you could see say, onya injury no ni obi din komo. There was a player closer to him. One match, Reece James was talking to the person about something. Coach say on one year in film no abre. So now the Obekwa Abontain for months. No, I've said it. Chelsea are lucky because I've watched Malo Gusto closely for like 3-4 years. Okay, some guys will be to me to do.
Yeah.
Good. So they are okay. But look, take the pressure away from him. He's a young boy. He'll be okay. It's quite intriguing. So Coach Nibeka said, what break into no in the film. When he was in conversation with his fellow players there, look, give him the time. He has all the time to develop. He has all the time. Give him the opportunity. Footballers no one kasa mo breakwaku. Ni namfofo nyina ewo training pitch ne so every day. Omu wi ano mo kobo match weekend no no nko ahye dem no ye therapy. Oni omu nyina be didi o canteen ho. Obo so no nko akwa hye we electrolyte pool na omu shema no mu tumi rehabilitation. Say if he's not mentally strong, obetimi kwa break it down.
Yeah.
And there oye rehabilitation. Second one, okay, die hu pa ne say now obe recover no aba. Na dwen say ball we dey nkama me nko full body tackle. Obonso gina na me corner me pray.
Atwe
Obonso afi he is unable to produce what he was producing before. We say di natem. You got to look, say obey omo a. Obo we dey minyanka me born at once pa o. Enso mi suru. Bo mi nyanka me slide you. Ina me corner injury ni san be. Afi obun se ball na ankasa no. Instead sen call ni opponent na e ball no. Ono na dream mum and their ball park.
I train a modern
Look, footballers go through a lot. Give them the opportunity. Give them. Give them the opportunity. I mean, when I saw the thing, me had right on the match. Me was only player and he didn't come out. And I was watching him. I sent me a notes for Manchester Live. I'm saying, no, this guy's hurt. But it is what it is. Mira, Shakhtar Donetsk, Kobo, Hamburg in the Champions League this year. See a boss season where we are into 2024. No? Naturally, says Shakhtar Donetsk abo home away from home for 10 years.
Yes.
A decade. Samobe Kaya, Russia cover Crimea, no? Please, it's in the folder. Russia for Crimea, no? Now, a confirm to about Eastern Ukraine, Donbass. Almost stadium, man, because in the original stadium, in the Donbass Arena. Parkway, almost in 2009 for Euro 2012. It cost them $400 million.
$400 million.
Yes. Eho, Ena Fernandinho, Henrik Mkhitaryan, Luis Adriano. All these guys went through this. Ntokwani si no, omo free oko the arena of Lviv. How no mko si o makai. Eho na nipa kra Amba Stadium. Look, at some point, no mo ton season tickets more than any team in Eastern Europe. Amfa, omo call Lviv na anyi. Ntokwa Asensia last season ball Poland. This year, almost sent Kwakoball Hamburg, Germany. In all honesty, and your man kuyi near the bit to for, but Ntokwa de pa. Ntokwanti 10 years in ye Shakhtar Donetsk into mobile. Omo, this was their stadium, their museum, their fan cafe, their fan shop. Bibia Brazil for Uncray, Ban and Omoba, and no Shakhtar team now. Brazil for doesn't know.
Yeah, Swati.
I have no problem with
SOMPA Sports.
Mudryk. But there wouldn't have been a point in time where Mudryk could have been the lead attacker for them. It's a project now. Now, Darius and Amoy and Jeff, if you remember, Omoko Brazil and Omoko the number. Douglas Costa, Alex Teixeira. And look, they were bringing these people just like that. Wagner Love, Estati Wahans, and Oko CSK Moscow. But, and Tokwa said project Nina and some the hard area we own Yamin Kwan and Okafo. 2015 FIFA area probed the biggest probe against FIFA any prosecution. It was led by Loretta Lynch, no Attorney General, Emma the United States. Only Loretta Lynch. 2015, 2019, and no free Attorney General Hono. I call law firm be a friend Paul Weiss. Or call Paul Weiss no. Hono and he who's a Paul Weiss or money FIFA lawyers. Or no, not all chief if I'm paying for no. And now you're more law firm or money FIFA legally chief. 2019. 2020 Loretta Lynch ABN Anoa. Or say Neniaje, Kwaya FIFA for first with your Mujuma Hono. No bet me aka. Say ne here. FIFA no presume for their consistent transparency, ethical behavior, and the desire to improve. When in Sema Loretta Lynch, the former Attorney General, or the 2 year name, Mire 2023, 3 years after, or joining a Paul Weiss in 4 years, and then FIFA a program at the Women's World Cup, keynote speaker. Loretta Lynch on their own. Emre Dania. How's what Daniel? There she is.
Wow.
TNGB a Football Republic on friend me because me sure we are on friend me say member. Good news for Nigeria. Kweku. Yeah. Good news. I mean, my men are not chief FIFA for no. And now FIFA Adamfu. Omo ye program omo say on bekasa. Football Republic, and so I'm one number from Mr. Bra, be keynote speaker. That's why I catch him. Toby Amusan Eba, and I'm happy. Say, Athletes Integrity Unit, no, a clearance. So, okay, Nigeria, they on list, they entered here awaiting clearance. Problem in the for the past 12 months, almost more opened 3 times. Say, Omranan come doping test, no munyano, no man provisional ban. You find a whereabout violation. Now, the statement Athletes Integrity Unit, no AIU ni dia ba. Omo sign a claim. Ntino only has indicated that is disappointed by the decision and then they will review it. Any award athletics, same Pombeko Casa. Nemum, the discipline tribunal by a majority decision, no, almost she has not committed an anti-rule violation of 3 whereabout failures within a 12-month period. The Hussein. We are no Tobu Amusan, no son some of the 2 years. Or catch any or say, Anopai no who yes, Ampa Okobi. Hallelujah. Elroy, Daddy. Yaminjun Kunimi no committed to a clean sport and all that. To my 5 fingers, God is the greatest. I genuinely appreciate you all for the support. Be careful. Omo say no, do it. Mira. Now this is what is at stake. Me. This is my prediction. Se Bibian Sesa. Josephine Camacho Queen. Toby Amusan. Anna Cockrell. And a Divine Charlton. Samai. Koku. On meets me under 12 seconds in the 110 meters.
And I Cockrell anything, you know.
Cockrell. US for girls, no? Divine Charlton. And a Camacho Queen de Cuba. Now, in 2017, NBC World Athletics Championship, you know, EDKC in 2017. NCAA, so the National Collegiate Athletics Association, almost 2017 110 meters hurdles, University 4 Games, US 2017. No? Find out that's how my winning at home. If you see the race, Toby Amusan never wins our race. No? And look, baby, I age say, Bibian Sasana Sam Mayina, Divine Charlton, and Cockrell, Toby Amusan, Josephine Camacho Queen, Omunina, Ewo, Camacho Queen is blue. Into your neck and neck.
Yeah.
On it, Toby Amusan. This is 6 years down the line. In the final, so Munina or track, no so now Ubiam for Statia, they could go under 12 seconds. And Toby Amusan, or a defending champion, into Koku, all other things considered, Nigeria are guaranteed at least a gold medal from her. C'est BBNCA. You get it? Nigeria, no. Athletics, no. So, more funny years, say other American Jamaica funny.
Other Nigeria, them is
oh look, they do so well. They are very good athletes. And then another one has also decided not to contest, and it's painful. Portugal for Pricado, triple jump. World champion, Olympic champion. Wepra.
But other what athletic champion? Convoy prepare. We
Jamaica going to competition. Oman naming athletics captains. Shelley and Fraser Price for Ma, and Francis Dakes for Mema. They need control. Jamaica said the Omuhiapa air control. They need somebody that would control it.
Manti, be up. My apostle, na me can message.